Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Test Labs. In this video, we are going to learn what is testing, need of testing and how to test a product. Before getting started with this, I just wanted to tell, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video and share it with your friends. So let's get started. Yeah. So as I said, we are going to learn what is testing, need of testing and how to test a product. So now we will start with what is testing. So what is testing? Testing is nothing but examine something carefully to find out if it is working properly or not. In other words, we can say testing is the method applied to evaluate a system or a component with a purpose to find if it satisfies the given requirement. What does it mean? For example, suppose you are going to buy a new mobile. You will go to shop. Before seeing the mobile, you will have some requirements, right? What all requirements you will consider before buying a mobile? You will consider the storage of the mobile, like RAM and the internal storage. RAM should be of 4 GB or 8 GB or 16 GB, and storage should be of 64 GB, 128 GB, and as per your requirement or as per your budget, you will decide like what all features you need before buying a mobile, and the camera and the pixel quality of the camera. All these things you will consider before buying a mobile, right? So you will go to shop, you will ask for a mobile which has all these features. So what is this? What is this feature means here? That is nothing but your requirement. So you will tell this requirement to the shop owner. You will say, I need a mobile which has these many requirements, these many features. That is nothing but your requirement, right? So then once shop owner shows you the mobile, you will see that mobile, you will check the functionality of that mobile, whether it is working properly or not, and whether it has the feature as per your requirement or not. What is that? That is nothing but the testing which you do for the mobile. Next point, need of testing. What is a need of testing? Now let's see here. Testing is a process of checking products for bugs and errors to ensure their performance is efficient. Or we can say testing of a system helps to identify gaps, errors or any kind of missing in requirements differing from the actual requirements. What does it mean? For example, suppose, let's take the same example here. Your requirement to buy a mobile was, let's see, 4 GB RAM, but shop owner is showing you 8 GB RAM of mobile. So that is not your requirement, right? Because you don't have that much of budget to buy a mobile. So you will ask for the 4 GB RAM. And when, for example, if shop owner has shown you the mobile and you are checking the functionality of that mobile, so you are trying to dial up 123 number, but it is dialing up 789 number. So that, what is that? That is something error which that device has, the defect which that device has. So that's why we need to do a testing of any product or before buying it, right? So that is what here we need to check any product before buying it. Check is nothing but we need to test that product. Why do we test it? Like to reduce defects in the component. As I said, like if you are trying to dial 123 number but it is dialing 789 number, so that is something a defect. So to reduce the defect, we check the product and increase the overall quality of the product. So if product is working as per our requirement or as per our need, then it is good. So that's why here this point says, right, increase the overall quality of the product. If product is working without any error, so that increases the quality of the product. Now next point, how to test a product. So here I have considered one remote which is of LG TV. So here I'm going to just tell you like how we can do the test or how to test a product. So for example, suppose here I have bought the remote of LG TV and I am going to test this remote. How will I do that? Do this. How will I test this remote? So what I will do, I will first switch on the TV and with the help of power button, I will I will press this power button and I will check by pressing this power button whether my TV is getting turned on or not. First time I pressed it, it should turn on my TV. Second time I press it, it should turn off my TV. Then I'm going to check the numeric button of this remote. How will I do that? For example, suppose I have some channel which is having the 1 to 3 number, then I will press these keys. I will check whether all these keys are working as per their numeric value available here on these keys. So this is how I will test this numeric key. Then volume button. I will try to increase the volume, decrease the volume with the help of both the keys, and I will check whether it is working as per my requirement or not. Similarly, left navigation, right navigation, back button, exit button and input button. So this is what today we have in this video. So today, as I have told, like we have seen these 3 points: what is testing, need of testing, and how to test a product. If you have any question or any doubt, you can comment that in the comment section. I will try to reply over there. And if you like my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.